How to say the verb avoir in French. The two most important verbs in French to learn at the beginning is être, which is to be, and avoir. So être, I have already made a video, so if you don't know it, I will recommend you to have a look in this link. So avoir is to have in English, so just to be clear, is to say I have, you have, she has, he has, we have, you have, they have. We will say j'ai. J'ai. Tu as. So tu as will be you have. J'ai. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. So il a. He has. Elle a. She has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. Vous avez. So the same, we will connect because French people don't say vous avez. We will say more like vous avez. Vous avez. Which is referred to you have. Like in a formal context or with a group of people. If you ask two of your friends and you want to say, okay, do you have a dog? We'll say vous avez un chien. And then we have ils ont, elles ont. Once again, the link, the liaison is really important here. Because if you say ils ont or ils sont is not gonna be really natural. So ils ont. Okay, so je répète, I repeat, and feel free to repeat with me to make sure you pronounce it well. So the first one will be j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now let's have a look just the last one. So remember, if you know already the verb être, when we want to say they are, we will say ils sont with an S. But here, they have, we will say ils ont because we do the liaison. So it's really important, like the ils sont. Example, ils sont gentils, they are nice. Ils ont un chien, they have a dog. When you want to say, for example, you age or someone's age, you will use the verb avoir. So, for example, if you want to say, I am 30 years old, you cannot say like the same as in English with the verb I am. We will say in French, I have, if I translate word by word. So we will say, j'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. If you want to say, she has a sister, so we can say, elle a une sœur. So for that it works, but another example that doesn't work, you are thirsty. You are thirsty. In French, we will say vous avez soif. Vous avez soif. A lot of verbs are similar in terms of English and French if you want to translate, but some of them we don't use exactly the same. So just make sure you use the good être or avoir when you want to express yourself. Voilà, so I hope you learned a bit more about avoir. If you have the opportunity to practice with a French speaker, do it because it's really important to make sure you pronounce well. Merci et à bientôt!